jingle bells, jingle all the way. The Christmas and New Year holidays are just around the corner. Still wondering what special gift to your kids? Look no further. HSK has the perfect solution with an incredible holiday offer. Our basic Chinese course is now available at 50% off for a limited time. That's just renminbi 31 per class. What a fantastic deal! At HSK Online School, we have been delivering quality education for over 12 years to students across 130 plus countries and religions worldwide. With 180,000 registered learners, we have designed tailored Chinese courses specially for overseas Chinese children with zero foundation, step by step. Your kid will learn Chinese from the ground up, discover rich Chinese culture, gain meaningful insights into Chinese heritage and wisdom. Our team of 3,000 professional Chinese teachers are not only experts in online education, but also passionate about teaching children. Every class is engaging, fun, and full of learning. Give your kid the gift of learning in this holiday season. Let them explore Chinese in a way what is easy, enjoyable, and rewarding. Don't miss out on this special double holiday offer. Scan the QR code and sign up today. Make this holiday season unforgettable with HSK Chinese.
哈读中文好课程，好老师，好效果。